Are you a parent? If yes, then don't skip this video. मैं एक father हूँ of two sons, and trust me, after watching this series on Netflix, Adolescence, मेरे अंदर कुछ हिल गया. I could not sleep the whole night. I was very upset. Also, I understood that how we as parents need to be responsible enough to understand what our children go through. Adolescence होता क्या है? Adolescence is an age where your child between the age of 13 to 17 is called an adolescent. हम सबके पास अपनी बच्चे हैं to take care of. We all have our own kids, but we don't understand the things and times have changed. When we were 13 to 17, it was a different world. Our children between 13 to 17, it's a different world. If you are a parent whose children have crossed that age or not reached that age, despite that, do see this video and I would recommend do see this series. It's about an incel. Incel क्या होता है? Incel एक ऐसा emotion है for which develops in these adolescence age where people start thinking that I am not good enough to have a romantic relationship or attract a woman or get into anything because that fear of rejection is there which doesn't let them do anything. और उसकी वजह से जो जो चीज़ें उनको psychologically, mentally, physically और emotionally affect करती है, this is what it is all about. Watch this video till the end and you will understand in brief how to take care of your kids at this age. We live in a time where our children are growing faster than ever. Phone उनके हाथ में है, दुनिया उनके दिमाग में है. But क्या as a parent have we ever tried to understand what's going on in their head? क्या हम उनकी दुनिया समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? Adolescence isn't just a show. It's a lesson for all the parents. If you are a parent, then you need to watch this series. Let's understand what's making this show so powerful. So this show is talking about real teenage emotions. It's talking about peer pressure. It's talking about identity crisis. It's talking about social media addiction. It's talking about their mental health. Moreover, it's talking about the conversations that they are having with their friends and not with us. ये शो ये सिखाता है कि कैसे हमारा बच्चा सिर्फ वो नहीं बनता जो उसको स्कूल में सिखाया जाता है. In fact, he turns out after learning whatever is taught to him online, offline and emotionally. Key insights from this series are that teenagers don't want perfection. They want understanding. Isolation from parents is not what they are looking for. They want their parents to listen to them. The world is talking to your child. Are you talking to him? हमारे कल्चर में बचपन से ही एक बच्चे को कुछ चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं. That you have to respect to elders, you have to take care of certain things in a certain way, you have to behave well, you have to talk politely. बट मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे, क्या हमने कभी अपने बच्चे से पूछा है that how are you feeling? Are you feeling okay? Are you missing on something or anything that you would love to share with me as a parent? और क्या आप अपने बच्चे से कभी ये पूछते हैं that you feel anxious or unhappy about something? We all need to ask these questions to our children. We all parents have to learn these skills. वक्त वो नहीं है जो हमारे टीनेज में होता था. Today, world is different. Our children have so much to consume. We as parent need to be wise enough to understand and be their friend to understand what they are consuming. We need to create a safe emotional space at home for all our children. We need to be there for them. We need to ask them, beta, are you okay? And not only ask every time कि marks कितने हैं. जिंदगी marks से achievement से बहुत ऊपर है. Value your child's emotion. Give him that comfort, that feeling that he can speak to you about anything. There are certain dangers that we are not able to see. आजकल के बच्चे एक अलग दुनिया और टेक्नोलॉजी में बड़े हुए हैं, but we don't realize that they are emotionally underdeveloped. One click and they can get anything, be it food delivery, be it grocery delivery, be it instant validation, instant gratification, pornography, toxic opinions. जो चाहिए, it's just a click away from them. Do we really understand how our children are developing? If we don't become their guide, कोई और बन जाएगा. And that कोई और might not have the best interest or intent at heart for your child. Teenagers are not rebels, they are just explorers. And every explorer needs a compass. Now, as a parent, we have to decide. We have to be their compass or somebody else. My request to all the parents, adolescence is not just an age. It's a phase and a mindset of your child. Let's raise our children not the way we were raised. Times were different. Our children need to be emotionally safe, mentally strong, and deeply understood. Watch the show, talk to your kids, and most importantly, learn to listen. Because your child's voice has to be louder at home than on internet. I would request all the parents to share this video with as many parents as you can and let the message reach out so that we as a parent take up this responsibility to take care of our kids before, during, and even after adolescence. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, as every subscribe of yours motivates me to create more such content. Until then, it's your friend Sumit Khubchandani.